Hello everyone. It's me, NYSE Einstein from the floor of the New York Stock Exchange. 4:34 on Thursday, November 29th, last day coming in to the end of the month, and this market is actually putting on a pretty good show. Market sold off this morning and rallied back. We had most of the morning that was red. Basic knee-jerk reaction to 3 days of up almost 1,000 points. No fundamentals, a lot of news on the table. G20, Putin, China, the president's old lawyer. I mean, there's potentially things to be anxious about that have something to do with the market, some that don't. At the end of the day, the market went from lower left to upper right, from medium to average red into a positive mode. We sold off in the last few minutes of the market just because of the imbalances. A cooperative day on my behalf as a trader. Market peaked out around 3 o'clock. We got $1 billion to sell. Market sort of sold off. Net at the end of the day, Russell off 5, Spiders off 5. Kind of anemic profit taking over the last 3 days of 1,000 points. I think there's a bid in the market. I think we're building a base here, and I think that's significant. Dollar up, oil back up after a weak opening this morning. We're up $1 and change. So I think things are starting to do the leg up. We need the next catalyst to get back the market where it was. I think the train's leaving the station. Maybe you want to hop on board that. Futures are looking up a little bit for later. So the volume was anemic. Coming in at the end of the month, we've got projected $5 billion to buy in pension fund rebalancing because the market's been down. Normally it's the reverse on the end of the month. You would think that tomorrow's going to be a busy day in MSCI, a Russell, a FTSE, across the board, plus this $5 billion pension fund rebalancing. Then we've got December. Question is, are we going to have a Santa Claus rally come into this market? I kind of think so. We are building a base. Fundamentals aren't changing. The news coming out of the Fed yesterday was super positive for the marketplace. Economy doing well. Interest rates are where they're supposed to be. Employment's at its full employment, as it were. Some weird terminology there, but at the end of the day, all good. We're building a base Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, up 1,000 points after a dangerously anxiety-creating October and November. We've got a base. Fundamentals are good. Market's on its way to glory. I love you all. It's NYSE Einstein from the floor of the New York Stock Exchange. We're going to go light the Christmas tree. I am Santa's favorite Jew. Stick with me inside Verstov. I'll see you tomorrow.